But of course, these very people of the oppressed nations are in the Constitution of Pakistan. I am talking of the Gilgit-Baltistan issue of the Kashmir dispute, which is outside, which is not in the Constitution of Pakistan. And you can imagine the sorry state of affairs in which we are. We are there. We are a colony, slaves of such people, you see, in which we are not there constitutionally. The presence of the government of Pakistan in Gilgit-Baltistan is totally illegal, illegitimate and immoral.
Exactly. Yeah.
Right. We have tolerated this immense cruelties and nonsense for the last 60 years due to various reasons, being backward, being oppressed, being defeated, being divided in the name of sectarian, bigoted, sectarian divide and rule. But of course, now at this point of time, we have a superb strategy, and our strategy is working very well, extremely well. And now the focus of the Kashmir dispute is of course on Gilgit-Baltistan, on the strategic Gilgit-Baltistan, wherein now at this point of time there are 5,000 Chinese working there, and the government of China should be mindful and it should not help the government of Pakistan and should take into account the local authority government, the real local authority government, which is supposed to be there in Gilgit-Baltistan, responsible for its own defense, responsible for its own administrative affairs, and it has to be short of international recognition till the final resolution of the dispute. There were 3 governments supposed to be there in the former disputed state of J&K of 3 provinces, the Jammu province, the Kashmir province and the northern area province, right? And once that state was divided, there was supposed to be 3 governments as accepted by government of Pakistan, as accepted by government of India, as accepted by United Nations Commission India and Pakistan for Kashmir dispute. 5 countries including USA. We were cheated 60 years back on 16 November 1947 by this country, with this state of affairs, with Punjabi domination, with Punjabi ISI, with Punjabi military.
And the occupation
of these people.
And the occupation of
Balochistan.
This is what we are. This is what is our state of affairs.
And the occupation.
Right. Now, there was supposed to be 3 governments. One in Gilgit, north of the ceasefire line. Right. And one in Muzaffarabad. And one in Kashmir. You can see something in Srinagar. You can see something in, at least something in Muzaffarabad. But there's nothing in Gilgit, right? There's a double-layered slavery in Gilgit. The non-local, bureaucratic rule, right? And above to that, the second layer is of the non-local Punjabi military rule. And the commander over there in Gilgit, the commander FCNA, Force Command Northern Area, that Fakat General, Major General over there, is also known as the Commander FMCC, Field Monitoring Coordination Cell. Right. The world is sleeping. The Western world has a lot of responsibility to bear. The mess in which we are in is the responsibility of the world, and especially the Western world, and the burden of the white man. It is the making of the Western world, the English and the others, who have put us in this mess. And we are at the discretion, at the mercy of this state of affairs. There's a lot to say on this, on Gilgit-Baltistan. There is no local say in the local affairs over there, right? This bloody so-called Northern Area Legislative Council is all farce, superficial. There's zero political rights with the local. There is zero financial powers with the local. It is all a drama. It's a goody khel, you see? Nothing else. It's shameful, harmful. Yes. Right? Our security, our people were Martian people. It is because of us, we people, we the people of Gilgit-Baltistan, because of the strategic importance of Gilgit-Baltistan, the immense natural resources of Gilgit-Baltistan. We border China, we border the Central Asian republics, we border Afghanistan, we border Tibet, we border Ladakh, we border Russia, right? We are at the strategic crossroad. Through us, the greatest mass of the human race is interconnected. They are interconnected. At Gilgit, we have 12 rivers, River Indus. There's so much of dispute on River Indus. Right? It is formed in Gilgit. It flows for 400 miles in Gilgit. The Sindh is raising hue and cry about this dam, Basha Dam and the Kalabagh Dam. But the river is ours. We are nowhere. Nobody knows about us. Our security finished. We have been in all wars. They have been using us, our people. They have used our people in Kargil. They have used our people in all wars and all skirmishes. And they have very, very mischievously snatched our security. Now our security is not there with us. Right? This bigoted, religious and sectarianism is the order of the day over there. Right? It's the order of the day. It is the top secret reports. We are in possession of that. According to that, in 71 they decided that this area is to be made part and parcel of the frontier province, and WFP, the Pathan, Sherpa, right? We have to be made part and parcel of that. But it cannot happen because this area is linked with Kashmir dispute. So wait for the time, disintegrate them, snatch their lands, take away their security apparatus, take away their political rights, divide them on all possible sectarian lines, on all possible racial lines. There is no human rights there. Right? Somebody was mentioning about the freedom of religion. There's no freedom of religion there.
No judiciary.
Right? We extend our heartfelt condolence to the people of Balochistan on the Shahadat of Nawab Akbar Bukti, a great man, a great leader of Balochistan. But at the same time, they should also, right, side with us on the Shahadat of Agha Ziauddin Shahid Rizvi. He was the only man who used to raise voice about the oppressed people of Gilgit-Baltistan. The Gilgit-Baltistan issue is the real issue of the Kashmir dispute. The dispute was created at that time. Because of us, all the reasons were in Gilgit-Baltistan. And nobody can undertake resolution of the Kashmir dispute unless we are brought at par in all aspects with Srinagar, government of Srinagar and the government of Muzaffarabad. It is simply not possible now for the government of Pakistan to undertake the resolution of the Kashmir dispute unless we are brought at par with Muzaffarabad and with Srinagar. What the Indians have given in Srinagar, why these so-called Muslims of Pakistan can give even 50% of that in Gilgit-Baltistan. What is troubling them? What is itching them? What is the reason? They bigoted, the perverted version of Islam they have. Now, the danger of Taliban, the ISIS-sponsored Taliban, ISIS-sponsored militants is lurking on our borders in Swat, in Koistan.